Jodongo mawuok e dhod jo-Abukusu kawuono wuok oko kadwaro mondo miten kaunti ma Bungoma oket romo gi jodak makono mondo ketgi e ler ewi chenro mar deso kambi sukari ma Nzoia. Jodongo go yango ni jodak makono, ahinya to jopur niang', osebedo gi penjo mathoth kotenore gi chenro mar deso kambino, ka gin gi geno ni romo makamano biro miyo gi thuolo mar penjo kendo yudo duoko kowuok kuom tend kauntino.
Hatutaki hao kupeleka huku sisi na huku. Nataka chairman aniitie hao watu wakiokopa, mimi nitawauliza waseme. Yule mtu atakwambia maneno yeye kama ni halisi ni mzuri, akonvince sisi wase na wakulima tutafuata yake. Yule mtu anasema hawezi kuuza au kulisi, aseme maneno yake hata akiwa yuchi ni wama, akiwa wamunyinyi. All of them wakuje mbele yetu.
So when we talk of privatizing Nzoia, the two bipartisan partners, the main partners, the miller and the grower, must sit down and agree, so that if the miller feels like moving out of the scheme, should give first opportunity to the grower to manage the mill, because it is possible.
All those processes that are taking place must be halted so that we come down to discuss and agree on the way forward. For now, we are saying no. The major purpose for establishment of this company was for economic empowerment of the people of Bungoma. As elders, we are concerned about what has happened in this sector over the years, and particularly at this time.